Next.js dynamic routing in GitHub pages. Will it work? Let's give it a try. This is my Next.js application I created with static routing of home, about, followers, and following. I have 10 followers listed on my followers page. In my code, I use the default dynamic route. Let's try Leanne Graham. As you can see, the URL follower1 is equivalent to follower's ID. Let's try another follower. And now, let's try Curtis Weissnat and check the URL and try to add /9. As you can see, it gives a 400 for in which this page could not be found. This is because default routing only supports direct pages. I duplicate the followers and name it as a following. This time we will implement the catch-all method, and I add a triple dot in the ID slug. Let's go to following page. Click Leanne Graham. As you can see, it gives a 400 for in which this page could not be found. Let's go to following page and check on the button component. I forgot to rename the users to following, so I have to rename it. Let's check the following page again and add a / in the current ID. It gives a server error. The reason for this is that we need to uncomment or remove the output param in the next config file. Let's check it out. It works. Let's try adding another ID next to the current one. Still works. Let's check the followers page items if the changes doesn't affect it. Default routing still as it is. Let's try adding / in the URL. It behaves the same. Let's try to push our changes if this will pass in the build. Let's check the build in the Actions tab. It's getting an error. Why this is happening? Let's take a look and click the error. Click the build error. Click the error. Now, as you can see, the error is all about the output param that needs to be added in the next config. However, it will cause an issue where the catch-all method will not function anymore. This means that dynamic route will work on GitHub pages except catch-all segments. And this is what I did earlier. Thank you for watching.